Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Princess here as usual. Thank you so much for subscribing if you have. But if you haven't subscribed, kindly click the red button down there telling you to subscribe. It's absolutely free. You do not pay anything and you will join my family. Yeah. And I will appreciate it so much. Yes, I do have videos and some fun videos, lifestyle videos, and some of my faith. I testify anything and I talk about my experiences. So today, if you want to watch this video till the end, there is some good news for you. You're going to see how I made this. It's pretty, right? Yeah, so you have no chance than to watch this video till the end. It is a very short video, and if you get to the end, kindly give me a like. Yeah, don't be selfish, don't be mean, please don't be mean. And thank you so much for watching this video in advance. Thank you.
Well, I'm really sorry about the noises on the background. It's my neighbors' noises. They just seem to start talking when I'm about to film a video, and which I cannot procrastinate because of them. So I just had to film it. Here, I have my African threading that I did after my struggle of wash day. I will link that video above if you haven't watched it. Be sure to watch it. I'm going to show you how I hid these lines. It's obvious no one can work with those African threads on your head. So I hide them as I go to work or just my daily duties. I have 3 scarves here. This is my first layer of scarf that I'm going to cover the lines so they may not be visible under the main scarf. I just fold it into 2 and I tie it at the front, make a knot and tuck anything that isn't necessary to be open. You guys have had some struggle with doing a voiceover for this video. Kindly thumbs up. Thumbs up. Editing a video isn't that easy. Leave alone filming the video. The orange scarf is my main scarf that I'm going to use. You can prefer to use any color that you have. It just happened to me that I only have that scarf in my closet. So I fold the behind just a little bit, which it will help us to manipulate it later when we are trying to cover the hair at the back. I bet we have to use our eyes. I'm trying to remember what exactly I did the first time. You know, that is the problem when you do something for the first time and it turns out good and you prefer to film it. But then you have to remember what exactly you did. It's a struggle somehow. Somehow it's a struggle. There, I just tucked in what is necessary and I tied a knot. And this last scarf doesn't have to be as long as mine was. I just used what I had. I will prefer you to use a scarf with the same color as your main scarf. Yeah, and fold it as small as it has to be, as your desired shape. Mine was somehow visible under that orange scarf. That's why I'm saying use a neutral color scarf, a nude color scarf, or the same color scarf as your main scarf. Head wrap. Head wrap scarf. I'm sorry for using scarf. Head wrap. As you can see, I was just trying to position it. in the place that I want it to be. You can push it at the back if you want to, and rather tie the knot at the back. It's what you prefer to do. Here I'm just twisting and twisting that one side, and I'm going to tie it. Is it clockwise, anti-clockwise? I've never understood that language. Let me not use it. You'll just wrap it in the opposite directions from the other one. Sure, be sure to do that. Just use your eyes and tighten it, but not that much, because it will pull the other side and it will make it somehow wrinkled or something like that. Just tuck in what is necessary. Yeah. I'm really sorry for any kind of noises you hear apart from what is necessary for this video. I just can't help it. It makes me wanna cry sometimes because they're making my video noisy. Especially if it's a talking video, because I can't make that voice silent. Oh! Anyway, we are done, by the way. You can start considering to subscribe. Pretty, right? Yeah, it's pretty. It is. And I'm just about to start dancing. There, you made it. We made it, made it, made it, made it, made it, made it, made it. Please like this video and let me know down in the comment section if you, in case you do the African threading and you let your hair dry by itself. I know it takes some few days, maybe 2. Mine, I stay even a week until when I'm free. And I just cover it. I use capes, head wraps, scarves. What else do I use? Yeah, just be sure to subscribe. I know I'm done, and bye. See you in my next video. Mwah.